ADCERAX is a China-based advanced ceramics manufacturer, supporting custom precision ceramic components for industrial equipment and engineering applications. Our work connects material review, manufacturing, forming, precision machining, inspection, and delivery around the requirements of the finished component. Different applications require different ceramic material routes. ADCERAX reviews alumina, zirconia, silicon carbide, silicon nitride, aluminum nitride, and boron nitride according to geometry and working conditions. The component range includes tubes, crucibles, plates, rings, sleeves, seals, substrates, wear parts, and drawing-based custom geometries. A custom project may begin with a drawing, sample, old part, or application requirement. The team first reviews material fit, geometry, forming route, and the features that may require machining. After forming and sintering, selected features may require precision machining to control bore size, flatness, holes, slots, surface condition, or assembly fit. Inspection focuses on the features that matter to the finished component, such as critical dimensions, bore size, flatness, surface condition, and mating areas. A project can begin with prototype or first article comparison against the agreed component requirements. When the project continues, multiple finished components support repeat production planning. Parts are separated to reduce direct contact during handling. Long ceramic components are individually wrapped with impact protection material suited to their shape. They are then arranged inside the shipping case and secured for delivery preparation. From initial review to manufacturing, inspection, and delivery preparation, each project is evaluated around the requirements of the finished component. When you have a specific component to review, share your drawing, material requirement, quantity, and working conditions. ADCERAX will review manufacturability before quotation.